Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Here I am with another healthy recipe, Methi Parata in 2 ways, with kneading and no-knead way. Methi Paratas without kneading will be super easy for beginners. The best part is Methi Paratas act as constipation reliever and good for diabetes. These Methi Paratas without oil will be super soft after hours too. To keep it simple, both ways I'm gonna use same ingredients. You can try different shapes, noodles, rolls along with ghee, butter, yogurt for kids. Enjoy with more curries and yogurt. If you miss roti, can try methi parata and roti combo to get used to. Let's see the preparation. I'm going to take 3/4 cup methi, quarter cup coriander, few curry leaves as green leaves. Add methi and coriander leaves in a bowl. First wash the leaves and then chop. Drain for 2 to 3 minutes. Chop the leaves with scissors. The ideal way to retain the nutrients is first wash the green leaves and then chop. Otherwise, notice the sign of water turning green after washing chopped leaves. Add cumin seeds powder, salt, coriander powder, turmeric for color, ginger garlic paste, besan and yogurt. Mix them all. Add finely chopped curry leaves and mirchis. Add chopped methi and coriander leaves. Mix well. If you want, you can add finely chopped onions. It's optional. Add 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Mix all together gently. Add around 3/4 cup water slowly. Keep kneading to soft dough. It will be little sticky to knead. Add little wheat flour if it's too soft. You can keep leftover dough in a airtight container. Stays fresh for 3 to 4 days. If you want, you can grease with 2 drops of oil if needed at the end. No need of resting the dough. Make equal sized balls. Dust little wheat flour. Roll like roti with rolling pin. Keep lifting the paratha. Dust with little flour if needed. Roll it gently. It's very easy to roll like roti or chapati. As you can see, it looks so colorful with green leaves. Now heat the pan on high flame. Check if it's hot enough. Place paratha on pan. No need of oil at all. Flip it once you see the bubbles. Press gently to puff a little. Slotted turner helps to puff better. As it's see-through, the gaps makes it very easy to press wherever needed. If you notice, this way methi is barely exposed to heat when compared to curries where we heat for at least 20 minutes. Place them in hot pot or airtight container. Serve hot or cold, will be very soft and tasty. Let's see methi paratha no-knead way. First add flour. Then add around 2.5 cups of water. Don't pour water all at once. Add cup by cup slowly and keep mixing to avoid lumps. Add rest of the ingredients except flour and water. Add wheat flour batter to methi mix. Let's give it a final mix. Batter consistency should be loose like this. Or you can do in another way by adding flour first to the methi mix. Then water to mix all together. Add half water and keep mixing. Batter consistency should be like that of dosa. This batter stays fresh in fridge for up to 4 to 5 days. Heat pan on high flame. Check if it's hot enough. Pour little batter with ladle. Spread to round shape like dosa. Put the lid on to cook faster. Let it cook for a minute. Take out the lid and flip with wide spatula. Cook again with lid on for another minute. Puff a bit by pressing with spatula. Give it a mix before every use as batter settles down. It's very handy once the batter is ready. Can make parathas whenever needed without much effort. Comparatively, no-knead parathas will be more softer and easy to make, as no kneading and rolling needed. Hope you enjoy my healthy and tasty recipe Methi Parata. See you again with another amazing healthy recipe. Thanks for watching.